Miss Cindy here, and welcome to Tales and Tales Summer Reading Online with the Louisville Public Library. Now, this year's theme is cryptids. Oh, doesn't that sound fun? And now, don't forget to register online and be sure to complete all the challenges in order to get awards, in order to get prizes. Hi there. In this week's video, we're going to be doing a craft, a Kraken craft. So, inside your bag, you're going to find the materials you're going to need. Okay, you're going to find your instructions, how to make your craft. You'll find a template for his head and a template for his legs. You'll find a string and 2 eyes. Also in your bag, you're going to find a Kraken coloring sheet that you can put to the side for now and you can color later. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out your legs for your Kraken. Now, some of this stuff you might want to ask an older person to help you with. And don't forget, if you're cutting, be very careful. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut out his head. And there's his head. You'll notice he's got a hole in the top of his head. That's for a string for later on. Now we're going to take his legs and we're going to put folds into his legs, accordion style. So you'll fold over one way, then you'll fold over the other way, and back again. You might need an adult to help you with this. This is kind of a hard. Now when you unfold it, it looks like this, like an accordion. That's one of them done. Okay, now we have all 8 of his legs folded. So we're going to take his head and we're going to take a leg, put some glue on the end of it. It doesn't matter which end. Put some glue on the end of it. Now you're going to glue it to the back of his head. Okay? See? To the back of his head. Now we're going to do that with all 8 legs. And you're going to want to glue them all along the bottom of his head here. Okay. See, all his legs are glued on the back so that when you turn it over and the front of him, it looks like this. Now, what do you think he's missing? I think he should have some eyes. Let's glue some eyes on him. Okay, so make sure you take your eyes out. You should have 2 eyes in your bag. You want to take those out. And we're going to glue those on. Now he has 2 eyes. Krakens should have a mouth too. So let's put a mouth on him. we're going to draw kind of like a circle. He looks kind of like a ghost, doesn't he? But Krakens aren't ghosts, are they? They're scary a little bit. So we need to add some teeth to make them just a little bit scary. So let's add teeth. Okay. There we go. Now he has some teeth, so he's just a little bit scary. We're going to take next, we're going to take this string, we're going to put it through the hole. So your Kraken should already have a hole, his head should already have a hole in it. So you won't have to worry about that. Put your string through it, and then tie it at the top. And now, you can hang him up and make him do a funny dance. Okay, and that's how you make a Kraken. Now, don't forget, if you haven't registered, make sure you register for the summer reading program. And the incentives or the challenges for this week are check out 10 books, check out 3 movies, read 50 pages, and then watch Friday Story Time with Miss Jenna. She's really good at reading stories. So, make sure you complete these challenges so you can get awards to win prizes. Okay? So have fun! And thank you for joining us for another cryptid video adventure. Now please join us every week starting June 7th through August 6th for new cryptid videos. Also, stop by the library each week to pick up your grab bags. Now, the grab bag will contain any supplies needed for crafts, plus some cool gifts. On Fridays, don't forget to watch Storytime at 10:30 with Miss Jenna.